Hey, are you listening? Hey, can you hear me? Seems he can't. Have you been calling me, ma'am? I'm so sorry. I was listening to music. I couldn't listen. I couldn't hear you. Are you this confused with the usage of hear and listen? No worries. We are here to help you. Please hear the tourist guide carefully. Nope. Please listen to the tourist guide carefully. Listen is a verb. So listen is actively paying attention to a sound. For example, she likes to listen to the radio. I listened very carefully to what she said. Did you listen to his interview? Listen, I don't want to go for shopping. Hear, on the contrary, is also a verb, but it is a natural process that happens unconsciously without paying active attention. For example, did you hear the thunder last night? I heard the telephone ring a while ago. I can hear you clearly. Let's do some more practice. She likes to hear the radio while working? No. The correct way to say it would be, she likes to listen to the radio while working. My grandfather is old and cannot listen very well. My grandfather is old and cannot hear very well. If you want to get more such insights and be more confident while facing an interview, join the Unnati English Workshop. Visit us at unti.in/eng.